denied. You denied my claim, even though there's full proof I got assaulted.
Well, I'm sorry, Miss Angry Bird. It shows that whatever you just said was fucking bullshit, so I don't fully trust it, so...
Bob! We're moved in now. That's all I need to call you about.
Fuck, you mean?
It means that we're all unpacked now.
Listen, honey, I got a little retard here.
Alright, whatever, Chud. Go ruin some poor lady's life.
Fuck you, bitch. Alright, what do you want?
Dude, I'm like 80. I'm gonna die soon.
How about I change that?